Good day everyone. Today we are going to look at referencing in Excel. There are basically two types of cell referencing, relative referencing and absolute referencing. With relative referencing, the reference changes based on the relative position of the rows and columns. So if we have a look at this example, if we want to calculate gross profit per unit, we type in our formula total gross profit for the item divided by the number of units or quantities, and we get our result. If you have a look at the formula bar, you see it refers cell E5 divided by B5. Now this is relative referencing, and it will change as we copy the formula down. So if I copy this formula to the next line, we see that it changes E6 divided by B6, and so it will all the way down. When we look at absolute referencing, with absolute referencing we want to fix a cell that is being referred to. It can either be one or many, dependent on what the need is. And this is also very useful when working with formulas and ranges within formulas where you need to fix certain ranges. But for this basic introductory, if we want to work out the gross profit percentage contribution per product to the total gross profit, we would write in our formula gross profit for shoes divided by the total gross profit of the business or product range. Now if you have a look at the formula bar, you will see it is E5 divided by E11. So if I had to type in enter and copy this formula down, you will get an error because the E11, which represents the total gross profit, has actually shifted one line down to E12, which has no value. So thus we are going to have to fix the total gross profit in E11, and to do that, in the formula bar we highlight E11 and press F4, and you will see immediately two dollar signs appearing before the E and before the 11. So this fixes both the column and the cell. You can have an instance where you can only fix either the column or only the cell, dependent on what the need is. So if we now copy this formula down, you will see that the E11 remains fixed, and the result is that it calculates the contribution per item relative to the total. I hope this has been useful. Thank you very much and goodbye.